Whenever you're hand sanding project parts, it's a good idea to back up the sandpaper with some sort of a block. It's going to result in a smoother surface and it'll look better once the finish is applied. The real trick, though, is how you hold the sandpaper to the sanding block. Yeah, sure, you can just grip it with your hands, but let's be honest, after a while that can get fatiguing, and the sandpaper has a tendency to slip around where it can tear. Well, Serge Duclos of Quebec came up with a better solution. And it all starts with a belt meant for a belt sander. Now, why use the belt? It has a cloth backing on it. That means that the sandpaper isn't going to tear, and that means that the sanding block will last a lot longer. Now, to attach it, I'm going to take this apart and show you how it works. You start with a hardwood block and then cut a cove on the back side of it. Then use some epoxy to anchor a cut-off bolt in a hole in the back. The sanding belt can then wrap around the edges of that cove. To hold it in place, you use a short piece of dowel with a hole drilled in it, and then secure the dowel in place by spinning on a knob. It's a nice way to upgrade your hand sanding blocks.